How does jurisdiction work under international law? Imagine a world where laws are not confined to borders. Jurisdiction under international law is the authority a state has to apply its laws and enforce legal decisions over people, property, and events. This concept is closely tied to state sovereignty, meaning each state governs its territory without outside interference. The main basis for jurisdiction is the territorial principle. This means a state has exclusive authority over actions and individuals within its geographic borders. However, this principle has some exceptions. For instance, the nationality principle allows a state to exercise jurisdiction over its nationals, no matter where they are in the world. This includes criminal acts committed abroad. Another interesting aspect is the protective principle. This allows a state to claim jurisdiction over foreign nationals if their actions threaten national security or essential interests. Then, there is the universality principle. This principle states that certain serious international crimes, like genocide and torture, can be prosecuted by any state, regardless of where the crime took place or the nationality of those involved. Territorial jurisdiction can also be divided into subjective and objective territoriality. The subjective principle applies to where an offense begins, while the objective principle applies to where it is completed. For example, if a fraud scheme starts in one country and finishes in another, both countries may have claims to jurisdiction. Despite these principles, enforcing laws across borders can be tricky. A state typically cannot enforce its laws in another state without consent. This reflects respect for sovereignty and non-interference. However, treaties or agreements can allow for cross-border enforcement in specific situations. From an ethical and political viewpoint, jurisdiction raises important questions about the limits of state power. Ethically, it must balance respect for sovereignty with the need to address transnational issues and protect human rights. Politically, jurisdictional claims can reveal power dynamics, where stronger states may try to extend their legal reach, while weaker states may resist outside interference. In practical terms, jurisdictional rules play a vital role in international cooperation on criminal justice, human rights enforcement, and resolving disputes. They influence how states negotiate treaties, like extradition agreements, and how international courts assert their authority. Understanding jurisdiction means recognizing both the legal principles involved and the ethical political context in which states operate and contest their authority.